This is Laloria Kanata, Policy Studies Librarian for the Andrew Young School of Policy Studies at Georgia State University. This video tutorial will cover finding articles based on the psychosocial assessment as well as an intervention article. Let's start at the library's homepage, which is library.gsu.edu. The homepage defaults to what we call a Discover search, which is equivalent to a Google search. It searches all databases, 200 plus, as well as the catalog and special collections and archives. Select the drop-down menu and then select Research Guides. Then browse guides by subject. Scroll down to social work and select to get a full list of guides for social work. Then select Social Work 3300, Human Behavior and the Social Environment. Of course, the assignment is based on the book, The Other Wes Moore, One Name, Two Fates, where we see these two men take different paths. What were the differences? Going to the biopsychosocial assessment, we have the categories biological, psychological, social, and intervention. These categories list those influential differences. These listed differences can be used as our keywords to find scholarly articles. Let's take self-esteem from the psychological category and combine that with absent father, which is here, from the social category. Moving to the article search tab, select APA PsycInfo. And for those of you who are familiar with PsycInfo and finding it under the letter P as far as databases, it has been rebranded, renamed, and now it's called APA PsycInfo, but it is the same database. So let's select APA PsycInfo. Let's take self-esteem and absent father. To combine two concepts, we have to put and, a Boolean operator in between those, and search. Limit your search to peer-reviewed on the left. And let's look at number 9 on this results list. Relationship between father absence and self-concept of black adolescent boys. Here we have the abstract of the article. At this point, you can email this abstract to yourself. If you do email it to yourself, select the APA citation format so that your email will have this citation where you can copy and paste. You can also select Cite to grab that and copy and paste there, APA. But first we need to see if the library actually has this article in full text. So select the Find It at GSU button. This link takes us to the catalog where we see that we do have full text available. And we have this full text available in JSTOR. But at this point, you need to make note that this article is from 1982. You can select this link to get access to the full text article. But going back to the citation for the article, let's see if we can find something more recent on this topic. So, you notice that this article has been cited 3 times in this database. And on the left of the screen here, right here, there's a link to those articles. And let's look at number 3, effects of parental marital status, income, and family functioning on African American adolescent self-esteem. You see that this article is from 2000, so that may be usable. And the full text is available here. Now also notice that this article has been cited 36 times, so you can use this one article to find even more recent articles. All 36 will be more recent than 2000. Let's go back to our research guide. And now let's try to find an article that talks about an intervention method for some of those biopsychosocial terms that we looked at. And when we do our search in the database, these are things that we can limit a search by. And so let's go back to our database, APA Psych Info. And let's check out the intervention examples over here. And let's use mentoring from our list. That's one intervention method. And this time let's search using self-esteem and mentor. And I'm using the base of the word mentor and not mentoring, because this is the root of the word, and if mentoring is in the search, it should come up anyway. Again, let's limit results to peer reviewed. And let's scroll down to number 11, the effects of developmental mentoring and high school mentors' attendance on their younger mentees' self-esteem, social skills, and connectedness. And again, we have our abstract. So it looks like this article shows the benefits mentoring has on self-esteem. So it may be a good intervention example. This article is from 2005, So that may be within your time frame, recent enough. But also notice that this article has been cited 40 times, so there may be other more recent examples than 2005. And lastly, take a look at the Citing Sources tab. There are resources there to help you with your in-text citations as well as your reference bibliography. That concludes this tutorial. Please contact me at llkonata@gsu.edu or by phone for 413-2802 if you have any questions or need any assistance. Thank you.